Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to download PayPal app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store. Once you open it, in the search bar you need to type in PayPal. Once you do this, you will end up having the PayPal app. So simply hit the install button and in matter of minutes your PayPal will get downloaded in your device. However, after the downloading is completed, it will start to get installed in your device as well. So it will take some time to get installed, but once it is installed, you can simply open your PayPal app or simply go to your home screen and search it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.